Good morning. Bajay, after watching this video, you will be able to solve questions related to long division method, and in this video we will learn the verification of our result also. Okay, so watch the video very carefully. Good morning to all. Bajay, in the last class we have done till worksheet number 3 question 2 and we have completed first 4 parts of the question number 2. Hana? So now the remaining 4 parts. Let me tell you question number 5 I'm starting. All of you please watch it very carefully. We are going to do it by the long division method only. Want to ask beta what was the very first step? We have to convert both the dividend and divisor into the standard forms. So हमने इनको standard forms में लिखा. Standard form. Very first, the highest power minus 6z square plus 29z minus 28 by 3z minus 4. Now both your dividend and divisor are in the standard form. Let's start the division. Minus 6z square plus 29z minus 28, 3z minus 4. First term divided by first term. Hana? This we have done in the last video, and by dividing we will get the first term of the quotient. It is yours minus 6z raised to the power 2 divided by 3z. 1 plus minus, it's minus 6 2 3z square by z. Powers will subtract, 2 minus 1 we get it as a 2z. Minus 2z is the first term of the quotient. So first term we write as it is minus 6z square. Fine students. Minus 4 multiplied. आपको मैंने कहा था अंडरलाइन वाली टर्म तो ऑलरेडी अंडरलाइन के नीचे आ जाएगी. Remaining we have to multiply. Minus 4 multiplied by 2z minus 2z you get it as plus 8z. Keep in mind z के नीचे plus 8z. Now change the sign. It become minus. It becomes plus. Fine. अब बच्चे देखोगे दिस इज 6z square 1 plus 1 minus it will be cancel. First term cancel. Now second. After solving we will get z. 29 minus 8. It is yours 21. Now borrow this one. It is minus 28. ठीक है? Now this is our new dividend. First term of our new dividend is this one. Now again new dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. Both are positive. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Z से Z cancel. So only 7 we get. It is your plus 7. Now first term, that underlying term as it is, minus 4 multiplied by this one. It is your minus 28. ठीक है बच्चे? Plus and as it is minus. First term cancel. Plus 28 and minus 28 is equals to 0. That means remainder is equals to 0. So आपने final किया quotient is equals to minus 2z plus 7 and the remainder is equals to, that is yours, 0. अब बच्चे, as I told you in the previous video, we will learn the checking after 4 questions. I hope till yet we all know how to divide the polynomial by the long division method. Now we are doing how to check. If you remember, in our previous classes we done the checking by, we will write check. We know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You all are very much aware of this result. We have done in our previous classes when we were doing the division of the numbers. That time we check our answer by this method, that divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay beta, so we will start from the RHS. कुछ नहीं करना आपने. You will see this question. If this question is correct, your checking will done. ये step, this step जो आपने अपने आप लिखा. Very first divisor. What is your divisor? 3z minus 4, quotient minus 2z plus 7, remainder plus 0. इसके बाद बेटा you are not supposed to multiply the bracket, you will get that answer from your division. First term जो आपने अपने आप से लिखा था without changing sign, it is minus 6z square plus 8z. This term. Second, this term you write from your side, है ना? So without changing, plus 21z minus 28, remainder is 0. Next term we write from our own side, it is 0. So after multiplication also we will get this result. You can check minus 3z in 3z into minus 2z, you get this one. 3z into 7, it is your 21z, minus this 8z minus 28. So that's why this time also you will get your direct result. No problem will be there. Fine students, in this way your checking will be done. So this is equals to our dividend that we can check. Minus 6z square, this is 21z plus 8z, that is 29z, minus 28 plus 0 is not required, this is equals to dividend. That means our answer is correct. So in this way we can do the checking. Keep in mind students, very first we will start from the RHS, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, that we will write our divisor, quotient plus remainder. Then what we have to do, division. First step of the dividend, second step of the dividend. If there are many more steps, you will write there. At the end you can finally write your dividend and you will get your answer. Okay, so if your division will be correct, you can do the checking very well. Okay बच्चे, move to the next question. Now we are having the next one, that fifth, sixth and seventh part you will solve yourself because that's a simple one. Now come to the eighth part. Eighth part is, it is 8x square minus 2 minus 3x plus 12x cube by 4x square minus 1. Now check whether they are in standard form or not. You can check your, this is not in the standard form. So आपके पास आया standard form. Very first cube square minus 3x minus 2 by 4x square minus 1. अब हमने divide किया, 12x cube plus 8x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by 4x square minus 1. Same steps we will proceed. First step by first step. 12x cube by 4x square. 4 3s are x cube by x square. We will get x. So this is the first term of the quotient, 3x. Underlying term we write as it is. Then we multiplied with the remaining term. Minus 1 multiplied by 3x. Minus 3x. But बच्चे याद रखना है x के नीचे ही आए. It's minus 3x. So what we are having here, plus 0. Okay, now change the sign. Minus become plus, minus, minus. First term cancel. It is your 8x square. Okay, minus 3x plus 3x cancel. Now we are having minus 2. Okay. Now first term 8x square divided by 4x square cancel, it is 2. So आपके पास आ गया plus 2. First term 8x square minus 1 multiplied by 2 we get it as a minus 2. Minus become plus, it is your minus. Cancellation. First term cancel. minus 2 plus 2, that is equals to 0. In this our quotient is 3x plus 2 and the remainder is, just a sec, remainder is equals to 0. ठीक है, चेक करते हैं. First step, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. ठीक है, तो अब देखो divisor, we are starting from this one. Divisor is 4x square minus 1, quotient is 3x plus 2 and the remainder is 0. अब आपको मैंने बोला था कुछ नहीं करना, फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट टर्म, 12x cube, as you wish, if you want to write 0, otherwise not, minus 3x. Second, plus 8x square minus 2 plus 0. That's it. So what is our dividend? 12x cube plus 8x square minus 3x minus 2 is equals to dividend. Is equals to dividend. Fine. Isn't it a good trick? आपको एक बार बस डिवीजन में कैलकुलेशन करनी है. After that you can check yourself. It is yours. Hence checked. ठीक है बच्चे, move to the question number 3. If you are aware how to solve question number 2, in question number 3 also we are having the same division, nothing else we have to do, only the long division. Let's start with the question number 3. I'll explain you. Using long division method, check whether the second polynomial is a factor or not. Check whether second polynomial is a factor or not. So question number 3, first part said x raised to the power 4 minus 16 and x plus 2. We have to check this x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial or not. तो बच्चा, you know very well, factor means, factor का मतलब क्या होता है? When it is exactly dividing, means remainder 0. Remainder must be equals to 0. If your remainder, by long division, if you are getting the remainder as 0, that means it is a factor, otherwise not. Means your divisor is a factor of dividend, otherwise not. So हम ये question देखते हैं. It is your x raised to the power 4. I told you if any of the term is missing, 0x cube, 0x square, 0x, and at the end we are having the constant x plus 2. First term, x raised to the power 4 by x, we get it as a x cube. So first term as it is and remaining term multiply here. It is your 2x cube. Sign change. First term cancel. X cube minus x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 4. X cube तो आना ही है. 0 minus 2 we get it as a minus 2 plus 0x square, 0x minus 16. Same procedure again. We are having minus 2x cube divided by x. That is your minus 2x square. So minus 2x cube, this is the second term na, minus 2x square. 2 multiplied by this one, it is minus 4x square. Sign change, plus and plus. It is cancel. So we get 4x square plus 0x minus 16. ठीक है बच्चे? Again first term, 4x square divided by x. It is 4x. 4x square. And this is 4x. 2 multiplied by this one, it is 8x minus minus, first term cancel, minus 8x minus 16, minus 8x minus 16. Now the first term, minus 8x divided by x, x cancel, we get minus 8, minus 8x, 2 multiplied by minus 8 is minus 16, minus become plus, it is plus. Remainder is 0, as remainder is 0, as remainder is equals to 0. हमारा remainder 0 के equal आ गया है. So what we can say, x plus 2 is a factor of x raised to the power 4 minus 16, means divisor is a factor of dividend. ये हमारे dividend का factor है. So I hope this is clear to all. हमने normal division करनी है जैसे हमने last question में की. If your remainder is coming as 0, that time it will be a factor. If remainder is not equals to 0, that time it will not be a factor. This thing we have to keep in mind. In the similar manner, we are having all the questions of this, all the parts of this question number 3. Wherever you are getting the remainder 0, that is your factor. If your remainder is not 0, that means it is not a factor. Okay, bache? So try this question yourself. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.